Alright, well here I have this old chain that I picked up at an estate auction a while ago, and I'm finally getting around to piecing it back together with some lap links here, and this is what they look like. And I got them joined here, and I'm going to be taking them to the vise to close them in more, and then I'll get out my welder, and once they're closed up I'll weld them shut. And this lap link I'm going to join in here. These spinning ones are good on strong on these big diameter chains, but on the thinner ones, these smaller ones are no good. And just for peace of mind, I'm going to take that out, and I'm going to add in this second lap link here. And this is a 7/16 lap links that I picked up. So we'll show you once we're all welded up. So we're inside now at the vise, starting to close up to join them. And now I have to readjust so my chain doesn't get pinched. There you can see how much it closed up. Now ideally, if you had a vise and you had a space where you could weld in your vise and not worry about any fire hazards, that would be ideal. But I won't be welding this up right in here. I'll have to take it outside. And here's number 2 getting closed up. And there you can see there's a little bit of space, and again, like I said, you'll want to use a weld somewhere where you don't have to worry about fire hazards from the sparks of the welder, and weld it in a vise there. So I'll show you once they're all welded up. Well, I'm outside here now, away from fire hazards, and as you can see, I put a pair of vice grips on, and I got it closed up. So once I get it tacked, I can take my vice grips away and weld all the way around. So I'm gonna go hook up the ground, get the welder all ready, and show you when we're done the 2 lap links. This lap link and that one there. As you can see, I'll put the vice grips on that too and close it up. Well, as you can see, I've welded the outsides of the lap link and even welded the inside the best I can with this welder I have. So there we go, this chain's all good to go. And now, just to add on to a little bit about chains here, once you do a repair to a chain, add in a section. The chain, most people consider them to be weaker. The chain's weakened because why did it break in a certain spot? Is it stretched? Was it under tension, under stress? So the chain really, once you put in repairs, you really want to, if you're doing serious lifting or serious jobs, you'll just want to go out and replace the whole chain completely and keep this chain, downgrade it to a lower job there where it won't be under as much stress. I plan to use it for hauling out logs with the 4-wheeler, and when the 4-wheeler gets stuck sometimes, or someone else gets stuck, I plan to use it to pull it out. But other than that, we're not going to be doing any pulling out trucks and large equipment, things like that. We're going to generally not have this under too much stress there, so it'll be safer that way.